Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. The DisneySea Transit steamer line is a unique and exciting way to explore the Tokyo Sea Disneyland. It offers steamboat cruises around the park's themed attractions and rides, providing a different experience from traditional theme parks. DisneySea is the only one of its kind in the world, making it a must-visit for those who have been to other Disney parks. The park caters to kids of all ages, with thrilling rides for older children and plenty of attractions for younger ones. With DisneySea having a theme based around the ocean and lands being called ports, it makes sense that its park-wide transportation system would be via boat instead of the usual train. Besides the transportation aspect of the transit steamer line, it offers a glorious way to do some sightseeing. Riding the transit steamer line is a great way to see how seamlessly the park's different lands of ports connect to each other.
So sabihin mo kay Luis, saan papunta to?
Yeah, you're taking chair, wheelchair.
Yeah, wheelchair.
皆さん、こんにちは。このコースは私、トミー・フィッシャーがご案内します。船で巡る東京ディズニーシーの旅、どうぞお楽しみください。
Papunta mo na sa saan?
Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Enjoy riding the DisneySea Transit steamer line, but the way these boats operate is confusing to say the least. Sometimes they offer a trip around the entire park. Other times they'll take you from one land to the next, for example, American Waterfront to Lost River Delta. Sometimes both options around the park or one way to the next land will be available. No matter what route is available at the time, a cast member stationed at the entrance to the transit steamer line station will inform you about what is available. The DisneySea Transit Steamer Line is a scenic boat ride at Tokyo DisneySea, offering guests a leisurely voyage through the park's waterways. The steamboats, reminiscent of early 20th century American riverboats, provide a unique perspective of the park's diverse themed areas. Passengers can choose from routes connecting Mediterranean Harbor to Lost River Delta or American waterfront, each offering distinct views and experiences. The journey is approximately 7 minutes long, accommodating up to 49 guests per steamer. This attraction serves both as a mode of transportation and a relaxing way to appreciate the park's architecture and landscapes from the water. Thank you for watching.
皆さん、ロストリバーデルタからの再びお楽しみいただけましたか？案内はトミー・フィッシャーでした。
Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.